Hello, everyone. Welcome all. Let's talk about a scenario in which we all find ourselves at one time or another, finding motivation when you can't start anything. Have you ever felt like you just can't find the motivation to do anything? Like there's this invisible wall between you and getting started? If you have, you're not alone. I've been there too, and so have millions of others. Today, I want to talk about why this happens and, more importantly, how you can break free from it. Let's start with a truth bomb. Motivation isn't always the spark that gets you started. It's often the result of starting. Sounds backward, right? But let me explain. 1. The power of small beginnings. When you're stuck in that rut, the idea of starting something big feels overwhelming. The trick? Start small. Ridiculously small. If you want to write a book, start by writing one sentence. If you want to work out, commit to just 5 minutes. The magic is that once you start, even with the tiniest step, it becomes easier to keep going. Example, James Clear, in his book Atomic Habits, talks about the 2-minute rule. If it takes less than 2 minutes, just do it. This small action often snowballs into bigger achievements. 2. Break it down. Sometimes we lose motivation because our goals seem too big. Instead of saying, I need to clean the whole house, say, I'll clean this one shelf. Breaking tasks down into bite-sized pieces makes them less intimidating and more manageable. 3. Focus on the process, not the outcome. We often get paralyzed thinking about the end result. Shift your focus from the outcome to the process. Instead of aiming to finish a project, aim to work on it for 30 minutes every day. The process becomes less stressful and more enjoyable. 4. Create a routine. Motivation comes and goes, but routines stay. Build a daily routine that incorporates small tasks related to your goals. Over time, these routines become habits, and habits drive motivation. Example, many successful people, like author Haruki Murakami, swear by their strict daily routines to maintain productivity. 5. Eliminate distractions. Your environment matters. If your phone keeps buzzing or your workspace is cluttered, your mind will find excuses to avoid work. Create a space that minimizes distractions. 6. Reward yourself. Give yourself something to look forward to after completing a task. It could be a favorite snack, a short walk, or an episode of your favorite show. 7. Remember your why. Ask yourself why you want to achieve this goal. Your whys is your anchor. When motivation dips, reminding yourself of the deeper reason behind your actions can reignite your drive. Final thoughts. Remember, it's okay to feel unmotivated sometimes. What matters is how you respond to it. Start small, stay consistent, and be kind to yourself along the way. Motivation isn't something you wait for, it's something you create through action. Thank you for listening, and I hope this helps you take that first step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights.
See you next time.